Hello and thank you for watching RJ Unleashed. Today we are going to do an unboxing of the Sony A6400 kit that I recently purchased and got shipped to me. So we're going to do the unboxing right now. Stay tuned and we'll be right back. Thank you so much for watching RJ Unleashed. My name's RJ and we're going to show you what we got. So far so good. I ordered the product through FocusCamera.com, and they told me right away that my order was all set and ordered, and also it was a great tracking system by UPS, so I knew exactly what was coming today and what time and all that good stuff. So again, capturing this on my iPhone 10 XR at 4K resolution, and I believe it is 30 frames per second or 60. I'll have to double check it and get back to you. So first of all, what comes with this kit and why I like this kit, not because of this, but it has like everything that I need to get started. Nice long strap, and this camera is supposed to fit in here, and I don't know what lenses may fit, but we're going to try that out a little bit later. So what comes in the kit is all in this bag right here, and I did already take out the Koa double battery with a battery charger. Now the Sony A6400, as some of my friends on YouTube have already mentioned, does not come with a battery charger. So I bought the two batteries. The reviews on them looked pretty good, and it also came with a battery charger that will charge the original Sony battery. So I thought that was, a must-have, and I bought the batteries and the charger probably for the same price as a Sony charger. I will see how that works and let you know. Next, we have a memory card carrying case. Just open up the case here. Looks like you just flip it open, and voila. So pretty cool, because it has a place for the single cases, and I do have that you can fit one big card and a bunch of small cards, and it also has a little indentation for the actual card in this case. Oh, it's a 3.0 flash drive. I didn't realize I was getting that little 3.0 flash drive, 32 gigabytes. So that's kind of cool right there. And also we have a Sony 64 gigabyte. See, and I thought I forgot that I was even getting this. So I'm like, I went out and bought a flash drive, a little bit bigger one, on Amazon, and I ordered the wrong one. I ordered a U1, class 10 U1 instead of a U3, which this is an SDXC U3 class 10. That is supposed to be the one that will keep up with and be able to render 4K video. Oh, like I have so many tripods already, it's ridiculous. But again, this kit comes with its own tripod. It's a Kangaroo tripod. I mean, I don't have a Kangaroo tripod, so that should be interesting. I kind of always wanted one of these because you can wrap it around things and hang it from places where you can't really do an ordinary tripod. So that should be Very cool. A remote control. I wonder if it's going to work on the Sony. Maybe, maybe not. Probably not. All right. So here's the Kangaroo Tripod. Like I said, you can do all kinds of things with this, and put it flat, wrap it around, all that. So that also comes with it. You know, I called up Focus Camera.com because, like I was saying before, there was two different kits. There was same number, a kit, a KT2 or kit 2, and a kit 4. And I talked to the rep, and I said, you know, what's the difference between the 2 and the 4? And this was it right here, which is a grip. I've never had a grip for my 35mm Canon, but what this does, or supposedly does, is hold 2 batteries. So if you're going out on a shoot and you don't want to change batteries, you can just put this on and you'll have 2 batteries worth of charging, I suppose. God, I hope this is all framed because I don't want to do this all again, really. Like, come on. All right. So nice and bubble wrapped, nice and boxed. There we go. Boom. Got the got it right there. So we're gonna mess around with that and see how that all works. Anyway, back to my story. So I called the rep and I said, which one should I get? And he said, I said the other one was, I mean, it was like $30 difference, you know, between the kit 2 and the kit 1. And he said, yeah, you should definitely get the kit 4, between the kit 2 and the kit 4, because the grip is worth more than $30. I think there was something else too. And, you know, I can grind down the details for you if you'd like, but those are the 2 kits that I was looking at for the 6400. Why? Because it had 2 lenses. And, you know, it's been my experience that with my Canon, instead of getting a 1 lens, which was, you could get an 18 to 135. And they were a little bit more expensive. I got 2 lenses. So I got a 55 to 210, which is right here. And then I think on the camera itself will be a 16, which is a little bit wider, right? For doing vlogging. That's why I got it. 16 to 50. So to be honest with you, I use my smaller lens with my Canon like almost all the time. Almost all the time. So this is the big moment right here. The first time I'm seeing one of these live. It didn't even go to a retail store. This was bought sight unseen, which is pretty difficult for me to buy something sight unseen. I didn't hold it. I didn't look at it. I didn't go to like a retail store. So we're gonna see. So here is the actual camera, nicely wrapped up. And oh boy, is that a nice little size. I mean, it's heavier than I thought it would be. The lens is on it already. Wow, it's great. It's a little bit heavier than I thought, to be honest with you. But, man, I can't wait to put a battery in here and try it. Feels great. Feels good and nice in my hand. Very small. Very, very small compared to my Canon T2i. So, pretty psyched about that. The lens and the cover is a little bit funky. I'm used to having a lens cover that goes over the whole entire lens. You know, and I didn't even think about a lens protector. I wonder if you can do it in this style lens. Well, something we're going to have to investigate. Because I had two, what do they call them, skylight lens protectors or covers for my Canon. So I'm going to keep that off there. I'll show you one last thing that the box comes in, and then we'll be all done. And that is a Sony E55 to 210 millimeter lens. Now the f-stop is kind of high, but it's been my experience that on a zoom lens, you're usually shooting in light, far away, and you don't really need a real small, low f-stop. So really never had any problems with, with the telephoto lens having that high of an f-stop, but we'll see. So there you go. Wow, very nice. Feels very nice. Again, heavier than I thought. Way heavier than the lenses I have for my Canon. Like, this is quality stuff right here. And again, it has the cover that goes inside, and I'm going to have to get some skylights that screw right in there so I can protect this lens from scratching. So that's my next move, is to get a skylight. They should have came with skylights. I thought this did come with some lenses, but I'm not lens covers, but maybe not. It could have been the kit too that had the lens covers. So and they were different colors and everything, the skylights. I'm gonna have to pick those up. But I'm glad that I got the. I'm gonna put this over here too in a safe place. I'm glad that I got, and there's also a hood. So on a very sunny day, glare off the lens, you get the lens hoodie, kind of plasticky. It feels a little, it's not a metal one, that's for sure, but that's okay because the lenses are on the heavy side. So here are two different packages that I found online. One with Focus Camera and the other with Amazon. They are pretty much the exact same package. Stay tuned for some more info right now. So thank you for watching the unboxing of the Sony A6400 that I purchased from Focus Camera. And as you saw on the timeline, Focus and Amazon, they have pretty much the same kit, pretty much the same price. But I hope this helped you out so you could see exactly what's in the kit and my initial reactions to the camera, the lenses, and all of the paraphernalia that comes with it. Thanks again for watching RJ and Lisa, and we'll catch you on the next one. Oh, also, I'm going to have a little mini review and a little bit of a rant on the 6400. So if you want some more info on it, take a look at that. It's right up on the card. Thanks again. We'll catch you on the next one.